Getting into some cars can feel more like a workout than a simple trip. Bending too low, squeezing into tight spaces, or climbing up as if boarding a truck. That's a common experience for many seniors. But with the right SUV, everything changes. The entry is smooth and effortless, with no awkward movements or strain. It feels like the vehicle is built around the driver, not the other way around. That's the real advantage of SUVs. They're not just larger vehicles. For older drivers, they offer genuine benefits. Elevated seating that makes getting in and out easier, improved visibility that builds confidence behind the wheel, and comfort-focused features designed to make every drive safer and more enjoyable. For those who are tired of feeling cramped, uncomfortable, or simply want a vehicle that's easier to handle, this video covers exactly that. Here's a look at the 8 most senior-friendly SUVs to buy in 2025. Options that truly stand out for their comfort, safety, and overall peace of mind. Let's take a look. At number 1 on our list of the most senior-friendly SUVs to buy in 2025, we have the Honda CR-V, the reliable everyday companion. If you're a senior looking for a dependable SUV that's easy to live with, the Honda CR-V checks all the right boxes. What I appreciate most is how simple it is to drive. Compact enough to handle tight parking spots and busy streets, but still spacious and stable enough for longer trips. It's a vehicle that never feels overwhelming. Getting in and out is effortless, thanks to the ideal seat height. You don't have to crouch or climb, just open the door and sit right in. For anyone dealing with joint pain or limited mobility, that kind of ease makes a big difference. Once you're behind the wheel, visibility is fantastic. The wide windows and smart mirror placement give a clear view of everything around you, which helps reduce blind spots and boosts confidence on the road. The ride quality is smooth and comfortable, especially over bumps or rough pavement. And inside, there's more than enough leg and headroom to stay relaxed during longer drives. What really makes the CR-V stand out for seniors, though, is the safety. Honda's Sensing Suite comes standard and includes adaptive cruise control to maintain safe distance, lane keeping assist to help stay centered, and automatic emergency braking for those unexpected moments. It's a layer of support that helps take the pressure off, especially in busy traffic. For seniors who want a smart, secure, and comfortable SUV they can trust every day, the Honda CR-V is a solid choice you won't regret. At number 2 on our list of the most senior-friendly SUVs to buy in 2025, we have the Hyundai Tucson. Comfort and confidence in every drive. The Hyundai Tucson is a smart and well-rounded option for seniors who want comfort, safety, and ease of use all in one vehicle. Its thoughtful design starts with an ideal seat height that makes getting in and out of the vehicle simple and strain-free. No crouching, climbing, or twisting required. Wide door openings add to that convenience, making daily errands and longer trips much more manageable. Inside, the cabin feels spacious and uncluttered, offering plenty of headroom and legroom. Large windows provide excellent visibility, helping older drivers feel more aware of their surroundings on the road. The Tucson also stands out for its smooth, quiet ride that handles bumps and uneven roads with ease, reducing fatigue during longer drives. Technology in the Tucson is designed to be user-friendly, with a clean touchscreen layout and straightforward controls that won't overwhelm those who prefer simplicity. It's a vehicle that feels modern but never complicated. For safety, Hyundai includes its SmartSense suite as standard, offering features like forward collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. These tools work together to reduce stress and add confidence to every drive. With its comfortable ride, easy access, and impressive safety tech, the Hyundai Tucson is a senior-friendly SUV that offers great value without compromise. At number 3 on our list of the most senior-friendly SUVs to buy in 2025, we have the Toyota RAV4, the safe and spacious all-rounder. The Toyota RAV4 is a well-rounded SUV that offers a comfortable, stress-free driving experience, making it a top choice for seniors in 2025. It's designed with everyday convenience in mind, starting with wide opening doors and a seat height that's just right. Seniors don't have to crouch or climb. Getting in and out is simple and effortless. Once inside, the RAV4 provides excellent visibility. Large windows and thoughtfully placed side mirrors give the driver a clear view of the road, which helps improve awareness and reduces blind spots. This makes everything from highway merging to backing out of parking spots feel more secure. The cabin itself is spacious and inviting, with ample legroom and headroom for both driver and passengers. The seats are built for long-term comfort, offering the kind of support that's especially appreciated on longer trips or during everyday driving. Technology in the RAV4 is also senior-friendly. With available 8-inch or 10.5-inch touchscreens, the interface is simple, easy to navigate, and responsive, making it easy to adjust settings, use navigation, or connect a smartphone without frustration. Safety is where the RAV4 truly shines. Toyota's Safety Sense 2.5 system comes standard and includes a suite of advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, pre-collision braking with pedestrian detection, and automatic high beams. These tools work together to make driving safer and less mentally demanding, especially in busy traffic or nighttime conditions. At number 4 on our list of the most senior-friendly SUVs to buy in 2025, we have the Volkswagen Tiguan. Versatile, smooth, and senior-friendly. The Volkswagen Tiguan is an excellent choice for seniors seeking a versatile SUV that blends comfort, control, and peace of mind. One of its strongest points is accessibility. Wide-opening doors and a comfortably elevated seat height make entering and exiting the Tiguan easy, even for those with limited mobility. Inside, the cabin offers generous space and supportive seating that helps reduce back and joint discomfort during longer drives. The Tiguan's ride quality is smooth and composed, making it just as enjoyable for daily use as it is for weekend getaways. And thanks to its compact size, it's also easy to maneuver in tight spaces or crowded city streets. The infotainment system is intuitive and well organized, with simple controls that make operating features like climate, audio, and navigation straightforward. Seniors who prefer practical functionality over tech-heavy distractions will find the layout refreshingly easy to use. In terms of safety, the Tiguan comes well-equipped. Standard features include automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear traffic alert, all of which support safer driving in everyday situations. Higher trims also offer adaptive cruise control and a 360-degree parking camera system, giving even more assistance when it comes to highway driving or tight parking spaces. At number 5 on our list of the most senior-friendly SUVs to buy in 2025, we have the Lexus NX. Luxury meets reliability. For seniors who want a touch of luxury without sacrificing reliability, the Lexus NX is a standout choice. As part of Toyota's premium brand, it delivers high-end comfort and style, while still offering the long-term dependability that Toyota is known for. One of the biggest advantages of the Lexus NX is how it blends premium design with practicality. The interior is refined and comfortable, with soft-touch materials, well-cushioned seats, and a quiet cabin that helps reduce fatigue, especially on longer drives. Everything is designed to feel smooth, relaxed, and easy to control. Safety is also a major highlight. The NX comes equipped with advanced features like adaptive cruise control, pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, and even parking assist. Higher trims go a step further by offering a 360-degree camera system that gives a full view around the vehicle, making tight parking spaces and reversing much easier and safer for older drivers. The ride quality is impressive as well. The suspension is tuned for comfort, gliding over bumps and road imperfections with ease. Whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the NX provides a stable, composed experience that helps reduce physical strain. For seniors who are conscious about fuel efficiency, the Lexus NX also offers hybrid options, including the NX 350H and the plug-in hybrid NX 450H Plus. These models deliver excellent gas mileage and even offer short-distance electric-only driving, ideal for reducing fuel costs without compromising performance. With its blend of upscale comfort, cutting-edge safety, and Toyota-backed reliability, the Lexus NX is an excellent SUV that seniors can choose with confidence and enjoy every time they drive. At number 6 on our list of the most senior-friendly SUVs to buy in 2025, we have the Subaru Forester. Safe, dependable, and all-weather ready. The Subaru Forester stands out as one of the safest and most dependable SUVs for seniors in 2025, especially for those who frequently drive in areas with changing weather conditions. With standard all-wheel drive and a reputation for reliability, it's a vehicle that offers peace of mind in any season. One of the Forester's most appreciated features is its excellent visibility. Large windows and a wide windshield provide a clear, unobstructed view of the road, something that's especially important for older drivers who want to feel confident and aware behind the wheel. Whether merging into traffic or navigating tight parking lots, the visibility helps reduce stress and improve safety. Inside, the cabin is thoughtfully designed for comfort and ease of use. There's plenty of legroom and headroom, and the power-adjustable driver's seat with built-in lumbar support adds an extra layer of comfort for longer drives. Entry and exit are also smooth, thanks to a practical seat height and wide-opening doors. Safety is a core focus in the Forester, and it comes equipped with Subaru's EyeSight Driver Assist technology. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision braking, all features that help prevent accidents and make driving feel more supported, especially in busy or unpredictable traffic. At number 7 on our list of the most senior-friendly SUVs to buy in 2025, we have the Mazda CX-90. Comfort, space, and senior-friendly features. The Mazda CX-90 is a well-rounded choice for seniors who want extra space without sacrificing comfort or drivability. As a 3-row SUV, it's ideal for those who regularly travel with passengers, carry extra cargo, or simply enjoy a more spacious cabin that doesn't feel cramped or restrictive. What sets the CX-90 apart is its ergonomic design. The interior layout is clean and intuitive, with easy-to-reach controls and a seating position that makes entry and exit simple, even for those with limited mobility. The seats themselves are designed with support in mind, featuring available lumbar support, heating, and ventilation to ensure comfort year-round. The smooth suspension delivers a quiet, composed ride that absorbs bumps and road imperfections with ease. Whether navigating city traffic or cruising on the highway, the CX-90 feels steady and controlled, reducing the physical strain that can come with longer drives. For seniors who take extended road trips or drive for long periods, the Driver Attention Alert System is a valuable safety addition. It monitors signs of fatigue and gently reminds the driver to take a break when necessary, helping prevent drowsy driving before it becomes a concern. The CX-90 also offers a plug-in hybrid option, making it a great pick for those who want to lower fuel costs without giving up power or capability. It allows for short all-electric drives, which is perfect for daily errands while still having the flexibility for longer trips. At number 8 on our list of the most senior-friendly SUVs to buy in 2025, we have the Ford Edge, effortless comfort with a confident ride. For seniors who want a vehicle that feels solid, smooth, and smartly designed for everyday life, the Ford Edge is a hidden gem. It's not too big, not too small, just the right size to offer plenty of space without feeling bulky or hard to manage. From the moment you sit behind the wheel, it gives off that reassuring sense of stability and comfort. One of the best parts about the Edge is how effortlessly it handles daily driving. The doors open wide, and the seat height is perfect. No climbing, no crouching, just a natural step in and out. Inside, it feels open and spacious, with soft, supportive seating that makes every trip, whether it's to the grocery store or across state lines, feel easy on the body. The ride itself is impressively smooth. Ford has tuned the suspension to glide over bumps and rough roads, so you're not constantly bracing for impact. Combine that with the quiet cabin, and you've got a vehicle that keeps stress low and comfort high, even during long hours behind the wheel. Which SUV do you think is the best fit for senior drivers? Drop your pick in the comments below. We always enjoy hearing your thoughts and experiences. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical car tips and reviews made with seniors in mind. Thanks for watching, safe driving, and we'll see you in the next video.